Hey guys, welcome back to my first video. So today I'm going to be playing with slime. So let's get on to the video. So guys, I have this slime right here. And yeah. It's very stretchy. And it's crunchy. And yeah, let's go to the next one. So I just took it off the container. I have this one. And it's very stretchy, and I can make squirrels. And yeah, let's go to the next one. So guys, I have this one. It's stretchy and also crunchy, and I can make squirrels with it. So this is very crunchy. Okay, so let's go. So guys, this is all the slime I have. I just have this bag, this and that. And guys, I hope you liked my video. Please give us a thumbs up and comment down below which one was your favorite. So yeah, and give us 5 subscribe. So yeah, bye.